Tired of back pain and muscle tension? Want to turn your living room into a personal spa? Today we're counting down the top 5 massage chairs that combine comfort, technology, and affordability. Whether you're a busy professional or just need daily relaxation, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Number 5. Starting at number 5, we have this premium breathable PU leather massage recliner that's perfect for home theater enthusiasts. This chair features a sophisticated design with padded cushioning that keeps you comfortable during those long movie marathons. The breathable PU leather material prevents sweating and sticking, making it ideal for year-round use. What really sets this chair apart is its ergonomic reclining mechanism with adjustable footrest. You can find your perfect angle whether you're watching TV, reading, or just taking a power nap. The massage function targets key pressure points in your back, helping release tension after a long day. It's designed to fit seamlessly into any living room or bedroom decor with its classic styling. The sturdy construction supports various body types while maintaining a sleek profile. Plus, the easy-to-clean surface means maintenance is a breeze. For those interested in purchasing this product, you'll find the link in the description and comments below. Number 4. At number 4, we're looking at a space-saving champion that doesn't sacrifice comfort for size. This compact manual massage recliner is perfect for apartments, small living rooms, or anyone who wants premium relaxation without taking up too much space. The standout feature here is the targeted lumbar massage support that focuses on your lower back, where most of us carry daily stress. The manual recline mechanism gives you complete control over your positioning without any complicated electronics. What makes this chair special is how it maximizes comfort in a minimal footprint. The adjustable settings let you customize the massage intensity to match your preferences, whether you need gentle relaxation or deeper muscle relief. The compact design means it fits through standard doorways easily and can be positioned against walls without clearance issues. Despite its smaller size, it doesn't compromise on support, with reinforced construction that handles daily use. The simple operation makes it accessible for all ages. For those interested in purchasing this product, you'll find the link in the description and comments below. Number 3. Coming in at number 3, here's another fantastic option that proves good things come in compact packages. This space-saving adjustable massage chair is engineered for modern living, where every square foot counts. The intelligent design incorporates multiple massage nodes targeting your neck, shoulders, and back simultaneously. What really impresses is the adjustment versatility. You can fine-tune the recline angle, massage intensity, and position to create your perfect relaxation setup. The clever engineering allows it to fit in tight spaces while providing full reclining capability. The lumbar support system is particularly effective for those spending long hours sitting at desks or driving. Durable construction ensures longevity, making this an investment in daily comfort. The neutral colors blend with any interior style, from contemporary to traditional. Setup is straightforward with clear instructions, and maintenance requirements are minimal. Perfect for reading, gaming, or unwinding after work. For those interested in purchasing this product, you'll find the link in the description and comments below. Number 2, moving up to number 2, we're entering luxury territory with this massage and heating combination recliner. This chair takes comfort to the next level by adding therapeutic heat therapy to massage capabilities. The gentle warmth penetrates deep into muscles, enhancing the massage effect and providing superior relief. What makes this particularly appealing is the large upholstered design that envelops you in comfort from head to toe. The side pockets are a thoughtful addition, keeping your remote, phone, or book within easy reach. The massage functions target multiple zones, allowing you to focus on problem areas or enjoy a full-body experience. The heating element is independently controlled, so you can use massage alone, heat alone, or combine them based on your needs. The premium upholstery feels luxurious and withstands daily use, perfect for bedrooms or living rooms where you want a dedicated relaxation zone. The elegant design makes it a statement piece guests will admire. For those interested in purchasing this product, you'll find the link in the description and comments below. Number 1. And now, claiming the number 1 spot, we have the ultimate home massage chair, bringing spa-quality relaxation to your doorstep. This is the complete package serious relaxation seekers have been waiting for. Combining massage, heating functions, remote control convenience, and a built-in cup holder, this chair thinks of everything. The remote control puts all functions at your fingertips, letting you adjust settings without interrupting your relaxation. The massage system covers multiple body zones with various intensity levels. The integrated heating works in harmony with massage to melt away tension and improve circulation. That cup holder keeps your beverage secure while you unwind. What really sets this apart is how all features work together seamlessly to create a personalized spa experience. Designed for home use, but delivers professional-grade results. Currently available as a clearance deal, making luxury surprisingly affordable. Perfect gift for yourself or loved ones who deserve daily comfort. For those interested in purchasing this product, you'll find the link in the description and comments below. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.